You see this clown? You see that clown? Oh, what the hell? What the hell is this? Hey, what's going on, everybody? 4i driver over here. The first snowstorm of the season. I'm at my uncle and uncle's place because we're getting ready for a football game, the last game of the season. So I am now gonna drive to pick up some groceries. I have to clean this right here, all the snow out. Before you guys go out after a snowstorm, you definitely have to clean your car out for safety reasons. You've seen drivers that don't clean the snow up, and it causes so many dangerous road conditions due to their laziness and carelessness. So I always clean up any snow on top of my car, on the sides, not for my safety, but for everyone else's safety. So I'm gonna drive this car now to see how it handles in the snow. I mean, I drove it in the snow before last year, and I made a video of that, but I'm gonna make another one again just to really test it out. There's back roads that I'm gonna try, so we'll see how this beautiful Acura Integra A-Spec manual handles in the cold. The snow. All right, looking good. Let's head inside, huh? Majority of the major roads have been paved, so I don't have to slip and slide too much, but still be cautious because black ice is no joke. Looks beautiful outside in the snow. I mean, the ambiance looks very peaceful, but do I want to shovel and do all that? Hell no. That's the thing I don't like about the snow, the conditions of it in terms of driving and shoveling it. But everything else, it's beautiful. Yeah, it seems like all the snow has been cleared off the roads. Very good thing. Ass is gonna come out. I knew it. Move to the other side. that dork right in front of me has a bunch of snow in his rear. I don't know how the hell he sees it behind. You see this? You see this clown? You see that clown? That's what I'm talking about. You have to clear the roads. Like, seriously? Like, you're that lazy to not, you know, Jesus Christ. And those are the type of drivers that will just cause accidents around when it's snow. It doesn't make sense. Alright, I'm close to the groceries, so pick up some groceries, give them time to beat. Ugh, Tesla, get away from me. Cleared this road. That's good. Oh, what the hell? What the hell is this? Sometimes these people, man. Like, really? Like, I don't get it. Get out of my face! Just don't get it. So all in all, the roads have been clear. You know, it's still gonna rain and snow today, but again, the Acura can handle the snow pretty well. I mean, granted, there's no snow on the road now; they're all cleared up, but it handles pretty good. And it's cold temperature, so the turbo is more active. Get more of that cold air inside. The turbo makes that a little bit more power. I just learned that last year. So move! What the? What's this bird, man? Almost hit you. Seems like a lot of things are going to get in my way. It's trying to get me into an accident. I still got to pave this road. This road is... Oh, God. Jesus. Jesus Christ, this road needs to be paved. Ugh. I'm gonna drive in the middle. Look at all this. Ugh. This is such a... Jesus Christ. So as you can see, this road is not as smooth. They shoveled majority of it. They plowed majority of it, but they need to seriously fix this road. That's the wrong with Jersey roads. Some good amount of Jersey roads are in this condition. Good amount of small potholes, not in a good condition. It's Jesus Christ. See, I have to drive in the middle of this. Look at that. I have to drive on the opposite side of the road. God, Jesus Christ. Look at all that. It's just so... Another person right here didn't clear their roof of their car. And another person in front of that person didn't clear their roof either. Man, what's wrong with y'all? It doesn't take too long to clear. Unless you're that short, get an extension that will help you clear the roof of your car. Imagine that block of ice going right next to me, you know what I mean? Like, it's your right away, dog. Like, I don't know why you're looking. Well, almost back to my aunt and uncle's place. Getting ready for the football game. We're heading to the stadium in a few hours. So I'll show you some clips of that. Hopefully you guys recognize the two teams if any NFL fans are out there. Two teams I like. You may recognize the team that I'm rooting for depending how loud I cheer or how loud I boo. So I'm gonna put some clips on that too later. So start of the new year with this snowstorm, but everything's clear, so yeah, Acura can handle it, but definitely want to test out the Acura again with a full set of snow. No shoveling, nothing was plowed. I want to really put this to the test. This one got something. Oh my God, another injured eagle. Oh my God. Come on, man. Please, please. Good job, Giants. Good job, Giants.
Okay, no problem.
Eagles, I don't know what the hell y'all doing. 10-27, seriously? But hey, you better not play like this during the playoffs. Y'all will be smoked. But congrats to the Giants. Good job.